Are you tired of your web scrapers getting blocked, breaking constantly, or requiring hours of manual coding just to get clean data? In 2026, web scraping doesn't have to be a headache. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at Zyte, an AI-powered all-in-one web scraping platform designed to help you extract clean, structured data from virtually any website at scale. Whether you need product prices, news articles, or social media insights, Zyte claims to handle the hard work for you. So how does it actually work? Zyte offers two main paths. First, there's their web scraping API. This is a developer-friendly tool that automatically bypasses blocks, handles JavaScript rendering, and extracts the exact data you need. Second, if you don't want to manage any code at all, they offer a managed data service. This is where Zyte's team and their patented AI build and manage your data feeds for you, delivering clean data straight to your business. What makes Zyte stand out are its AI-driven capabilities. Instead of writing custom parsing rules for every single website, Zyte uses patented AI to automatically identify and extract key data types. We're talking e-commerce product details, news and articles, flight schedules, business locations, social media sentiment, and even search engine rankings. Because the AI adapts to website layout changes, your scrapers are much less likely to break when a site updates its design. Plus, Zyte strongly emphasizes built-in legal compliance, giving businesses peace of mind when gathering data at scale. Now, let's talk about pros and cons. On the plus side, Zyte is incredibly powerful. It combines 15 years of industry experience with modern AI automation, meaning you get fast setup times and highly accurate data. It also solves the massive headache of proxy management and IP blocks. As for the cons, because we want to be completely transparent, we don't have a database of hands-on user reviews or specific pricing feedback to share in today's video. However, generally speaking, with advanced enterprise-grade APIs, there can be a slight learning curve if you are a complete beginner trying to integrate their API into your own custom applications. Our final verdict? If you are a business, researcher, or developer looking for a highly reliable, legally compliant, and AI-driven way to harvest web data without the constant maintenance, Zyte is absolutely worth checking out. You can sign up and try their API for free on their website to see how it handles your target pages. Have you tried Zyte or other AI scrapers yet? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tutorials on the best AI tools of 2026. See you in the next one.